2026 Honda Fury, USA. Factory choppers still standing. The 2026 Honda Fury continues as one of the very few true factory-built chopper-style motorcycles in the US market. While Honda's official listing still closely matches the current production model, the Fury remains focused on classic long and low cruiser styling rather than major yearly redesigns. It keeps its signature stretched front end, slim teardrop tank, fat rear tire, and big V-twin presence. Honda lists the Fury with a base MSRP starting at $11,499 plus destination charges in the US market. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Fury is a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine, paired with Honda's programmed fuel injection system. It uses a smooth and simple 5-speed manual transmission with a low-maintenance shaft final drive, making it ideal for relaxed highway cruising and daily reliability. Honda designed this engine for strong low-end torque rather than high-rev horsepower, which suits the Fury's cruiser personality perfectly. Chassis and ride feel. The Fury features a dramatic 32-degree rake, long 71-inch wheelbase, and a very low 26.7-inch seat height, giving it that unmistakable custom chopper stance up front. It uses a 21-inch wheel and 45mm fork setup, while the rear carries a wide 200-section tire for that muscular hardtail-inspired look. Despite the custom bike appearance, Honda engineered it for real-world rideability. The hidden rear suspension and aluminum swing arm help maintain comfort, while standard ABS improves rider confidence on wet or uneven roads. Braking and safety. Braking comes from a single 336mm front disc with twin-piston caliper and a 296mm rear disc, with standard ABS included. Honda emphasizes safety without ruining the clean chopper design, making the Fury one of the rare production choppers that combines custom looks with practical modern braking. Comfort and ownership. The Fury is built more for style-heavy cruising than long-distance touring riders on. Reddit often mentioned the low maintenance, reliability, and unique road presence as major positives, while some note the basic electronics, limited rear suspension travel, and lack of a sixth gear as small compromises. One rider described it as very bare bones electronically, but appreciated that it means less to brake. Its curb weight sits around 675 pounds, fuel capacity is 3.4 gallons, and owners often value the simple ownership experience over high-tech features. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Fury remains a unique machine in America's cruiser world. It's not trying to compete with modern performance cruisers or baggers. It exists for riders who want authentic chopper styling straight from the factory, backed by Honda reliability. If you want a motorcycle that turns heads, sounds like a proper V-twin, and delivers low-maintenance cruiser ownership with true custom bike proportions, the Fury still stands almost alone in its category.